number two, don't forget to get the money. I want you to manage your money in the most efficient way possible. Okay. And so what we recommend you use is an aggregation tool. Let me get a bing bong. Okay. Or a cash.
All the things.
All the things, because you need an aggregation tool. And an aggregation tool is just a fancy way to say you need an automated budgeting tool, something that tracks your money coming in and going out. So Georgia already said, hey, go to your bank and scroll down. And hey, I'm telling you, go to your bank and look around, because most banks are offering some sort of a budgeting tool within their platform. So you can just log into your bank account online and they'll be keeping track of everything for you. They'll be helping you to categorize your spending there. And that's going to make it that much easier and so much quicker for you to run through rule number 2, which is don't forget to get the money